Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Crypto and Chai. In today's video, let's learn on how to install and set up MetaMask in 2 minutes. As you all know, MetaMask is the most famous crypto wallet to buy, store, send and swap tokens. So, let's start. Go to your Google Chrome and type metamask.io. Now click on download. We are using Chrome. You can select your browser and now select Install MetaMask for Chrome. You will be directed to Chrome extension store. And now click Add to Chrome and then click Add extension. Give it few seconds. Now click on Get Started. If you have seed phrase, you can import your wallet. Else, click on Create Wallet. Read everything and click on I agree. Now create your password. Now is the most important part. Click here on reveal secret words. Go old school and write down the seed phrase on a piece of paper or in your secret diary. I would suggest avoid taking screenshots or images of the seed phrase. You can lose your password, but never ever lose the secret phrase. Now click on Next and confirm the seed phrase that you have noted down. Click on All Done. Congratulations! You now have your very own non custodial wallet. This is your MetaMask wallet address. Thank you guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crypto and Chai's YouTube channel. You can also join a community on Telegram and follow us on Twitter. Our username is Crypto and Chai. Thank you.